In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable split shipping on Shopify. Now, if you're running an online store, offering flexible shipping options can really enhance your customer experience. Today, we're going to walk through this process step by step, so even if you're new to Shopify, you'll find it straightforward and easy to follow. Let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard, which you can access through your store URL and login. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify admin, look towards the bottom of the left side panel for the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new page filled with various settings you can adjust to tailor your store experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to find and click on the Shipping and Delivery tab. This is where you can manage all aspects related to shipping for your store. You'll notice that there are several sections within this page, ranging from shipping rates to delivery methods. The goal here is to ensure that your shipping options align with your business needs and customer expectations. Next, scroll down until you find the Split Shipping section. This feature can be a tremendous asset if you have a diverse inventory with items located in different warehouses, or if you want to offer your customers different shipping options for different parts of their order. Click on Split Shipping to open this setting. Now that you're on the Split Shipping page, you'll see an option to manage the settings. By clicking on Manage, you have the ability to enable or disable this feature based on your preference. Enabling split shipping allows you to fulfill parts of an order individually, which means your customers might receive items in separate packages depending on their availability and location. This can really help streamline your fulfillment process, especially if dealing with inventory from multiple suppliers or locations. To finish up, after you've configured the management settings to suit your needs, be sure to save any changes before exiting the page. It's essential to double-check that everything is set up correctly to ensure your customers have a seamless shopping experience. If you ever want to make future adjustments, you can always return to this section and tweak the settings as necessary. So, that's it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled or disabled split shipping on your Shopify store. It's a useful feature that can make a real difference in how you manage shipments, potentially reducing shipping costs and improving your service delivery. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Shopify store.